it over in the cool sense.
Right.
Come on, Griff. Okay, start with a little pulling resistance. No slap, like your water ski. Okay, ready? Don't let your elbows go behind your body. Now step forward with your left foot.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Pepper! Here, boy! Come on, I'm not in the mood to play hide and seek with you right now. Come on, Pepper! There you are. You should really try losing some weight before you decide to run away next time. Come on. What's the matter, boy? You're definitely not a he. And you're definitely not fat. You're having puppies.
Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step forward, step back. Good.
Sorry.
It's okay.
That is a lot harder than it looks.
And puppies, I can't do this. Oh, yeah? I can so. Okay, so you can talk again. Big deal. Besides, it says here that dogs don't need much help anyway. 4 to 5 puppies a litter. In an hour, mommy and baby should be resting comfortably. That can't be right. 13? She's expecting 13?
This is way cool.
I think you're gonna get just fine. Brett, you wanna try?
Yeah. I think I got it.
You know, you could be a really good swing dancer.
Okay, I think we both got it.
Waiting on tables tired to smell like grease. I'm waiting on tables tired to smell like grease. Pardon me, sir, excuse me, madam, can I take your order, please?
Stop.
Stop what?
You know what?
No, I don't.
I like Annie, remember?
Hey, what's going on?
Nothing. I can't leave. Not now.
Griffin, it's 13. Didn't you hear me? 13! This is life or death here.
So is this.
But how do I get him out? I don't know what to do.
You don't have to do anything. Dogs have been having puppies for ages without help. I gotta go.
Look, I can't make it stop hurting. Please stop. I can't do this. I can't do this. I gotta get out of here. Griffin said she'd be fine by herself. Dogs have been having puppies for ages without help. So, what if Griffin's wrong? Can't leave her there alone. There's no one else to help her. There we go. Just like home. Are you comfortable now? Shh, that's good. That's good, girl. Shh. Okay. When they come out, rub the puppies until they squeak. Great. But how do they come out? And what if they don't squeak?
They always squeak if you do it right. Forget the book. I've watched Mom do this a million times.
Thanks for coming. How was the class?
What do you care?
I brought the whelping kit from the clinic.
Why'd you let the dog out of the clinic in the first place? I'm beginning to think Mom was right about not letting you work here.
You're right. I'm an irresponsible jerk. We have to help her. So, what do we do?
I don't know.
What? You acted like you knew everything about this.
I said I've watched Mom do this tons of times, but I've never actually done it myself.
Well, what do we do if something goes wrong? We can't do this by ourselves. It's okay, Pepper. We're gonna help you through this. Look, there's a nose. Holy. It squeaked. Did you hear him? He squeaked. Oh, he's so little. Or she.
I see another nose. Okay, number 5's okay.
So is number 6. Come on, Pepper. Come on, girl. You can do it.
Number 9 coming up. That's number 12. How you doing?
Okay. I really feel like I'm making a difference, you know? Like we're making a difference.
Well, get ready, because here comes difference number 13.
It's not squeaking.
Try rubbing them harder.
Nothing. Griffin, it's not breathing.
Okay, we have to aspirate it quick. Here, I'll hold the pup. You open his mouth gently. Put your fingers where the jawbones meet and squeeze gently. All right, now you have to stick the tube in and do exactly what you're doing.
Come on, little puppy, please squeak. Yes. Hi there. Hello.
Good work, you guys. Both of you. Oh, and Pepper, you too. 13. Oh, all hungry and healthy?
Caitlin did all the work. I was just an extra pair of hands.
Really?
Yeah. Well, I'm going back to the class. You guys can handle things without me.
What do you mean back?
Back. Oh, did I say back? Nice whelping with you, Caitlin.
Yeah, same to you. Oh, and knock her dead.
Who?
Oh, nothing, Mom.
By the way, did you do something to the goat?
Well, you see, Dori,
Whatever it is you did, he passed that ping pong ball. And Frederick's talking a blue streak. How'd you do it?
just lucky, I guess.
Caitlin, I'm so proud of you. You know what? I think I've got myself a new assistant.
Really?
Absolutely.
So when do I get my first paycheck?
I've never had a student improve so fast.
Well, thing is, in the beginning, I was just trying to look bad. What's that? Well, Griff was so excited to take this class with you that I wanted to help make him look good.
You know, Griffin's really lucky to have a friend like you.
No, I'm lucky.
I wonder if Amy does hip-hop. I could definitely win her back with hip-hop.
Maybe Pepper could have done it all by herself, but I think she was glad to have me around. Whelping those little guys made me feel pretty responsible, and that's a new feeling. Okay, Bandit, I guess I'll be mucking out your stall regularly now. Gross as it is. Come on, boy.